Whirlpool presents White Magic Royal Fully Automatic Top-Load Washing Machine. It comes in multiple capacities with an elegant grey color. The advanced Sixth Sense technology senses the wash requirements and intuitively adapts the wash cycle to give you a perfect wash every time. It comes with zero pressure fill technology, which ensures that the wash tub gets filled 50% faster, even if the water pressure is as low as 0.017 MPa. Spiro Wash Action. This advanced washing motion washes clothes in a unique circular motion, giving them a thorough clean. The hard water wash feature helps in better cleaning even in hard water conditions. White Magic Royal provides you the option to select 12 different wash programs, which are based on fabrics that allow customized care for different types of fabric. The Delay Wash program enables you to set the time for your laundry to finish as per your convenience. The machine comes with the Aqua Store feature, which allows the machine to store water up to a required amount for later use. It gives you the Auto Tub Clean feature, which automatically cleans off all the impurities left on the inner walls of the tub at the time of spin during every wash cycle. It comes with a 5-star energy rating, 2 years comprehensive warranty, and 5 years warranty on motor and prime mover. Now, get the Whirlpool White Magic Royal range using various hassle-free payment methods and add style to your everyday life.